Hi, my name's Saffron. I love traveling, music. I love fun and crazy stuff.
Hi, my name is KG. I make YouTube videos online. I am single.
My name's Dikosh. I like making YouTube videos. I like dancing and I like to eat.
I'm gonna do it 100% for my fans, for you.
Hola!
My name is Prabhat Praveen. I'm the executive chef for Sheraton Westin. Welcome to the 5th Great Fiji Challenge. 2 tickets left to win. This is one of them. So today's challenge is kokoda, which is traditional Fijian appetizer. It's very, very famous in local cuisine. I'll show you once and then you guys have to do.
Oh wow!
First what you need, that fish. In this bowl, we have the processed fish. So
Right.
process means we have fillet the fish and then we have already marinated. You guys have any questions?
No!
Ready for the challenge?
I think so. Two minutes? You said no timing! Oh my god!
Yes, we can.
Which is the chili, yeah? I tasted it, I was like, this is more chili. Then I put more than, no, I need more chili. This is the chili.
Ten,
No!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Hey! Hey!
Hello guys, my name is Willie. Welcome to your second part of your challenge. Cocktails for today's competitions will be paradise. All the songs that is placed in front of you here are all made locally here in Fiji. Alright, here we go. It took me 2 weeks to come up with the conclusions of these cocktails. It's very quite challenging because mostly these rums are very sweet rums.
Yeah.
So you need to see like say a sweet and sour. It's the welcome cocktails for Fiji Airways.
Yeah. Alright guys,
Chin.
try it.
Very coconutty.
Oh wow! Not gonna be easy. It has to be perfect. I forgot! Fuse them a bit.
Lemon sauce or ale? Put in a lot of ginger ale.
Yeah, a lot. I feel like it
Like just-
overflows.
Oh my god, there's too much water.
I just dropped an ice. Who do you think that will be winner?
Not me.
Saffron. Whoever will win, they will get this ticket.
Yeah, okay.
So let's see who is going to win.
Go for it. Taste. Oh no, this is so tough.
The chef said wow when he ate mine. Like, I was like, this is in the bag. Oh.
I'm so stressed.
He smiled.
How are you feeling now? Excited?
Nervous!
Very nervous.
Winner of this challenge, today challenge is... Okay, I will give him to give you that. Okay?
Stop stalling!
Winner of today's challenge is...
Hey.
Really?
Congratulations. And he'll give you that
Oh
ticket.
my god!
I'm on a roll! I wanted it to be like last challenge to be more epic, you know, we do it, fight for it. But now I got 3 wins, they got 1-1. I'm like, last challenge, give you lah.